Catchphrase. Well, the definition is is a well-known sentence or phrase, especially one that's associated with a particularly famous person. So today we will get the catchphrase and guess the famous show or movie it's from. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I don't watch movie. First one to grab the clown hat gets the chance.
I like that hat very much, you know.
Oh, them so we must face each other.
So...
Take up your cup so we know what I knock over or nothing.
I'm right under the...
You on this side? Come this side.
Yes, much better. Thanks. Okay.
What's the first one?
Can you wait? Let go off of the... What's happening there?
Name again. I thought I saw Putty Cat.
Don't tell anybody.
Don't tell me.
How much time does he have before it passes over here? 5 seconds.
Oh, Sylvester.
Wrong.
Sylvester.
Wrong. Tweety Bird.
Tweety Bird. Who is Sylvester? The cat.
The cat was always chasing.
The Sylvester and Tweety Mystery.
I thought,
yeah, she said the Sylvester and Tweety Mysteries. No, I am right.
But Tweety is the one who's hiding from the post.
All right?
No.
She said the show or the person, so I'm right.
No, she said who is the catchphrase? She just said the
show or the person. I am right.
So what's the point of the catchphrase? The catchphrase you just said in the definition is attributed to somebody and has become famous with somebody.
All right, I don't
So which one you want, Kadeen? Which one she want?
She said either one works. Okay, next one.
Price is right. Bob Barker or Drew Carey?
Oh, you know that. And the only person I wear is a commando. Wait, no, me never see.
Island, Fantasy Island. What's his face? The little guy.
Short man.
What's his name again?
Yeah, what's your right? Cat 2 is his name.
Oh, okay.
So me get that too?
No, don't tell him. Steve Urkel from Family Matters.
She just said don't tell her. Why
Did I do
Benji, you're not involved. Stop. You're not involved, Benji. Family Matters. Don't know that show. George.
George. It's
no, George.
Good Times.
Yeah. Great name. John.
His name is...
JJ. John.
JJ. What's his real name? Don't remember. Ow!
Fred Sanford.
Did you really? Oh my
Sanford
God. Have it. You have the
Is this hit?
No,
all I did was grab this.
Let's just, I'll just, play from over here. Yes, that would be Scooby-Doo. Let me just, Scooby-Dizzle. And I would have done it too if it weren't for you meddling kids.
I never seen Scooby-Doo in my life. Jeopardy.
No.
Oh.
It's actually the $1 million show. Millionaire. Who wants to be a millionaire?
Oh, yeah, me didn't know that. No, me want back this up now. They killed Kenny.
Oh my God, they killed Kenny.
Who is Kenny?
South Park. South Park?
I've never heard of South Park in my life. Who is Kenny?
Oh my God,
Wait,
they
now,
killed
who is
Kenny.
Yeah, but I do Flintstone. Is this citizen not me?
You're very...
Donald Trump.
Clearly. Apprentice.
Apprentice. Then you say the personality to the show. Let me not get Donald Trump. The short man. Remember him?
Good Times. And it's
Good Times?
Arnold.
No, it's not Good Times.
What is it?
Different
It's
strokes.
Arnold. Oh, yes,
Different
yes.
Got it.
But I said Arnold. So, anywho, whatever, man, this game is... How you doing? Is that Wendy Williams? Because if it is, then you got to put you. Not how you're doing, because that's a different...
Hold on, stop. What's up, Doc?
Will you stop crabbing me like a crabber? Stop crabbing. You see your fingernails there?
I did not touch you. Is this hit you?
Crabber.
Hold on, the one before. Hey, what's up, Doc? Is what's the name there?
Bugs Bunny.
Yeah.
Stop that.
Wait, no, don't move, man. The one before. The one before. Who is Wendy Williams? Oh. So what she say? She just say, how you doing?
How you doing?
Then she's the only person I world who say, how you doing?
Like that.
I
How
say,
you doing?
I say, how you doing too? So where's not
Is that
me?
your famous catchphrase? Is it?
How you doing?
No. How you doing?
Good up. All right, go back to.
Survey
says. Wait a man,
Survey says you're a crabber.
I touch you again, but I don't have no fingernails.
You didn't touch me again.
Survey says.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Well, don't tell me.
Family Feud.
Family Feud.
That's why he mustn't be a crabber.
Oh, stop, Kadim.
What you say? So are the days of our lives.
Stop, don't. What is days about?
There we go again. Marsha, Brady Bunch.
Who is Marsha? No, no, Marcia that.
SHA it should really be, but I just figured that given the triplicate it would be.
Gunshot.
Bam! I know it is.
So you take it, how you doing? Eh? Bam. Nobody don't know that one.
Bam.
Everybody says, everybody, yeah?
No,
Not
I
even
know
Benji
who
will
it
love
is.
push up himself, not people things. Not even Benji, a good man, you love push up himself too.
Ah!
It's what?
I know who it is.
Wait. Emery what? Emeril?
Emeril, cooking show, food chef. Yes, every time he's cooking, and you go BAM! Hasta la vista, Arnold Schwarzenegger nigger. Terminator, sorry.
No, the Terminator 2.
Arnold what?
The Terminator
Really?
2. He's looking at you, kid. We know that.
He's looking at you,
Hold on,
kid.
don't tell me. That is the 1939 film there, Gone with the Wind. What's name? What's name? Clark Gable.
Really?
Also?
Really?
Humphrey Bogart.
Clark Gable.
Or it's Casablanca, it's not.
Casablanca.
What minute say it was?
Clark Gable.
Gone with the Wind, minute say.
Gone with the Wind.
I'm going to make him an offer.
Okay.
Godfather.
Oh, Capone. Was it Capone? Who was it?
No, it was. No, it's not. It's Marlon Brando was the Godfather, but him said him
Capone, was it Capone?
No. Him said when I'm son. No, it's not Corleone, him said.
Oh.
Him said when I'm son, when I'm abducted son. Can't remember his name, but.
Okay.
And then the man did find the horse.
Disabled self-defense.
Mission Impossible.
Huh. No, but you say you never know the movie then. You know the movie then, man.
Long time. It's not the new Mission Impossible start that, you know. This
I know the movies, I know the TV shows. I'm not a movie
How much
girl.
do you get?
None.
What do you mean none? I mean, it's about 14. And cut up Simone about 6 times. I lose, but
Crabber.
Crabber.
There's a crabber. Finish?
Yeah, well, we're going to go outside and talk to the folks about some pan chicken competition. CB Foods Pan 2018. That's outside. I'll be there momentarily.
Bring piece of food for me now.
Me I eat piece of chicken this
Bring
morning.
some for me now.
I shall.
Thanks.
I'm going to eat piece.